Hello, friends. Today we're going to start chapter 10.2, the process of cell division. But before we start talking about cell division, we need to talk about the chromosome, what it is and what happens to it during cell division. Cell division is a process by which a cell divides into two new cells. So why do cells need to divide? Number one, living things grow by producing more cells, not because each cell increases in size. We learned that from chapter 10.1. Why do cells need to divide? Well, for the repair of damaged tissue. And besides, if a cell gets too big, it cannot get enough nutrients into the cell and waste out of the cell. The original cell is called the parent cell. Two new cells are called daughter cells. Get my picture. Parent cell, daughter cells. Before cell division occurs, the cell replicates or copies all of its DNA. So each daughter cell gets a complete set of genetic information from a parent cell. Each daughter cell is exactly like the parent cell. That's very important. Same kind and number of chromosomes as the original. If you look here at this picture, the parent cell and the daughter cells are exactly the same. Same number of chromosomes as the original cell. Now, we've talked about this in previous chapters. Many organisms, especially unicellular organisms, reproduce by means of cell division called asexual reproduction, without sex. For example, bacteria. DNA is located in the nucleus and controls all the cell activities during cell division. Long, thread-like DNA in a non-dividing cell is called chromatin. Remember I told you DNA, it's thin, is called chromatin. Double-coiled short DNA in a dividing cell is called a chromosome. And it consists of two parts, chromatid and centromere. So if you look over here, here's the chromatin. This looks like thin spaghetti. It coils up around a protein, and it thickens up, and it becomes what we see over here, a condensed chromosome, which we'll talk about in the next slide. So we have the thin chromatin. It duplicates itself, okay? It duplicates itself and becomes, has an identical sister. We call this sister chromatids. Two identical sister chromatids attached in an area in the middle called a centromere, okay? That belt-like thing there is called a centromere. So it's easy to remember because it's in the center. When cells divide, sister chromatids separate, and one goes into each new cell. So, as you see, the chromatid thickens up, becomes a chromosome, duplicates itself, and then when cells divide, so each cell has the right amount of DNA in it, and the same amount of chromosomes, that these chromosomes pull apart. The sister chromatids pull apart. Here's another picture of it. We get the thin chromatin. It duplicates itself. It coils up to become a chromosome. So why does DNA need to change from chromatin to chromosome? It's a more efficient division. Every organism has its own specific number of chromosomes. For example, humans have 46 chromosomes, or 23 pairs. 23 from mom, 23 from dad. Dogs have 78 chromosomes, or 39 pairs. Goldfish have 94 chromosomes, or 47 pairs. Lettuce has 18 chromosomes, or 9 pairs. All somatic cells, which is another name for body cells in organisms, have the same kind and number of chromosomes. So guys, no matter what, your hair, your skin, I don't care what cell you are in the human body, you all have 46 chromosomes. Okay, all the cells have the same number of chromosomes, 46. So if you're a human skin cell, you got 46 chromosomes. If you're a heart cell, you got 46 chromosomes. If you're a human muscle cell, you got 46 chromosomes. Fruit fly has 8 chromosomes. The fruit fly skin has 8 chromosomes. The fruit fly heart cell has 8 chromosomes. Okay? So no matter what, if you are the same organism, you have the same number of chromosomes in all your cells. Guys, I hope this helps you. We're going to continue on with our lesson on cell division. As always, have fun and enjoy learning.